Hey guys, welcome back to Little's Tube. Today we are going to be making fluffy slime. Here are my ingredients: Elmer's white glue, baking soda, which is there, food dye, shaving cream or shave foam, eye wash, water, and that's it. So now we add 2/3 of a cup in of glue. I'll be sitting here for a long time. It wasn't as much as I wanted out of that, but that's pretty much the rest of the glue. And you pour that in. Then you add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Wait. Of baking soda. Then you grab one of these, a quarter. And then you fill it with water. Then you mix it together. And it should look like that. Nice and watery or runny. Not that runny though. And then 2 cups of shaving cream. Touching it. Okay. This is very light. So if you add 1/4 of a cup, then you actually have to do another one. So you have to do 2/4 of a cup if you're going to do a quarter, and then if you're going to switch up the thingy, then you're going to have to use the biggest one that you have. I reckon that's just about as much shaving cream as I need. The fluffiness though. And you mix it to give it all the fluffiness. Not sure if it's working. Well, I know right now that it is working pretty much. like a cloud or something. Except like a sticky cloud now. Once we add the eye wash, food coloring would all look really good. Okay, it's bad enough. Then food coloring. I've done green the most. I'll see which one is most fullest. The one that's most fullest I'll use. Remember not to get it on yourself. I'm totally not using a lot. I want it to be really yellow. Cushion. And then you add your thingy, this. 1.5. You do that. Then you mix it like that. It's already starting to form. So yellow isn't really running. Oh, it is. It's the very one. This is really cool. It looks a bit like egg yolk and like looks a bit like a cracked egg. Like this is the bottom of a cracked egg and then this is the top of a cracked egg. It's really soft. Another thing is if you get shaving cream on you, you can just easily take it off by just rubbing yourself, rubbing your hands. Don't know how much yellow food coloring I need. It's not that yellow. Oh, this is good. It's turning out to be more yellow, which I like. It's sort of coming along, and that's all shaving cream. Another thing is I don't like messy stuff. This is really messy, I reckon, because it's getting all over my hand. Another thing is if it's stuck on you, and you can easily remove it by just getting one little piece of it and just like pushing it against the part that you have the stuff on. This is really cool, I can say. It's like I'm feeling a wet cloud. It's really like slimy. That's what I feel like I'm feeling. And then because of the shaving cream, it makes it like super jiggly and cool to like listen to. You can shake it. Another thing is if you stretch it out, it's like weird because it feels like little strands and stuff. And then you can push it together and stuff. And it'll like create this cool sort of like type of thingy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye!